Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Gujarati Masala Puri. Let's start the recipe. Add 1/4 cup of wheat flour. Add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 pinch of hing and salt as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix well. Add water gradually and knead into a dough. Add 1/4 tablespoon of oil. The dough should not be soft. If the dough is soft, the puris will absorb more oil. Make small doughs and prepare puris as shown in the video. The thickness of the puris should not be thick or thin. You can see in the video. Deep fry the puris in hot oil. Slightly press and rotate the puris while frying so that the puris will fluff. Very tasty Gujarati Masala Puri is ready. You can serve these puris with curd or even with any masala curry. Masala curries recipes are given in the description box. Please check it there. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.